What's up, guys? This is Theo here, and welcome to part 18 of Introduction to JavaScript on CodeCademy. This is the last part in our lesson, or the last part in the series. Let's get to it. This one is called Build a Cash Register. Cash register has failed and the boss is not happy. Help save the day and create your own cash register. So let's get to it. Let's go in here. Let's reset this code. Create a new object called cash register, and I'm gonna give it some properties. So the first one is going to be called this.total, set it equal to 0, then change the property total to 299 using dot notation. Total equals 299. Save and submit our code. Problem with your syntax, unexpected token. My bad. This.total 0. What is it not like? This.total is 0. Our cash register total is 0. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Okay, so we're going to use the add method to sum up the cost of the following 4 items. Okay. If we only call the method once, we'll just add the first item. So to add up the cost of the 4 items, how many times do we have to call it? Okay, so cash register.total. Let me think. So call the add method for items. And we'll do for var I equals 0, I is less than I is less than 5, or I is less than 4, I plus plus. We're just going to call it 4 times. We're going to say add, and we're going to pass it to, let me see, we need to make an array. Method name. Should pass in a different number. Okay, so we'll do this. We're going to store do var eggs equals 0.98, var milk equals 1.23, var magazine equals 4.99, and var chocolate equals 0.45. We'll do console.log, or no, we'll do add eggs, add milk, add magazine, and add chocolate. That should give us what we want. If you call the method 4 times, add is not defined. Add is a function. Oh, my bad. So var register equals a new cash register. We'll do this dot add, or register, and register plus register. Default method cash register is not a constructor. Okay, I'm really retarded or something, because use the add method to sum up the cost of the following items. Function item cost, this dot total plus or equal to if we only call the method once, it will just add. So add up the cost of 4 items. So how many times do we have to call it? Add is a function item cost. We'll call the add method for our items. Cash register dot add eggs. And we'll do this 4 times, I guess. Milk. I want to give it magazine, and give it chocolate. Okay, cool. I guess it had them behind the scenes. Let's reset this code. Write the add method, which has a single parameter, same parameter item cost function, item cost, and what it's going to do is it's going to add item cost to the total. So it's a total plus or equal to item cost, and we have partially written the scan method. Add the following two items to the switch statement. So we'll do case magazine. We'll do this dot add $4.99, and then break out of there. Do case chocolate. To be a colon, we'll do this dot add 0.45. Let's break. Submit that. There's a problem with your syntax. Unexpected identifier. What's the unexpected identifier? I'm not sure what it is. Total plus or equal to this dot total plus or equal to item cost. We scanned X twice and magazine 3 times. Use the scan method to, okay, so we'll call cash register dot scan eggs. Let's call that, looks like it wants us to call that twice, and then we're going to call magazine 3 times. Magazine, cool. Awesome. Let's reset our code. Modify the scan method such that it will tell the quantity of each item, such that if we tell the quantity of each item, it will be able to add the right amount to the total. Since you currently tell scan nothing about the quantity, it may be useful to create another parameter. So function item and quantity. Be able to the quantity of each item since we're going to scan 4 of each item. Previously we would have needed to scan 16 times, now it's up to 4. Okay, so item 4, this dot add. Now we can change this to quantity times quantity times quantity times and quantity times, and now we can call cash register dot scan, and we can pass in eggs 4. We can do this with each of our items, so we can change this to milk, and we can do it with magazine, and we can do it with chocolate. Let's make sure our code works. Cool. Let's reset our code and modify the add method to keep track of the amount of the last transaction. This should be tracked in a new property, last transaction amount. So we'll say add a method called void transact. This should be tracked and keeps add a method called void transaction that subtracts the last amount transacted from totals, and use the new method to void the last 3 items. Finally, scan only 3 of the same item instead. So let's see. So this dot last transaction amount, set that equal to the item cost, so the last thing that's passed in. Add a method called void last transaction. Transaction is a function. Give a comma right there, and tracks the last amount subtracted from the total. So we'll say this dot total minus equal to this dot last transaction amount. Use the new method to void the last item we scanned. So do cash register dot void last transaction, and then add 3 instead. Finally scan only 3 of the same item instead. So let's let's go here. We'll change this to 3, 3, 3, 3. Let's run that. Try again, false. Why is it? Void the last transaction. Void last transaction. Let's get only 3 of the same item instead. Odd runs, you should change the value of last transaction to item cost. Last transaction always refers to this dot total minus or equal to minus or equal to this dot last transaction amount. Cash register to avoid last transaction. Why is it saying it's false? Let me reset my code. Try again, false. Why is it saying that? Use the new method to avoid less than scan only 3 of the same item instead. I thought that's what I did. Eggs, milk, magazine, and chocolate. And add 3 instead. Okay. So we want to add scan. Say 3. And then what do we want? 3 and then chocolate. Looks like that's the last item. Cool. Let's reset our code. Create an object constructor called staff member. Takes in 2 parameters, name and discount %. And what do we want to do here? We want to this dot name equals name. This dot discount % equals discount %. And create an instance of the object for yourself called me. For me is a new staff member. It's your massive staff discount of 20%. So it's a Theo, and it's going to be 20. Let's say what's in our code. Cool. Let's reset it, and it's the last one. So it says on line 10, create a new object called me of type staff member. Say var me equals a new staff member. It's my name and 20. Create a new method called apply staff discount on the cash register object. So we'll do apply staff discount is a function, and what I want to do here, which accepts an employee, and when this method is called, apply the staff member first discount to total. So we'll do total. We'll do, what are we going to do? Minus or equal to employee dot discount % times 20 discount % plus okay. Should apply the staff member's discount % to total under the comment. Apply your staff discount. Call your new apply staff discount. Dot apply staff discount. Pass in me. Error in your this dot total. My bad. This dot total. Try again. False. Your bill is now. Maybe it doesn't want that percentage. Bill is now minus 2. This dot total times or equal to divided by %. Dot total equals this dot total divided by 86. What is it? I thought I was doing it wrong. This dot total minus or equals to. Okay, got it. So do that. My bad, guys. Suck at math. There we go. So it's this dot total minus or equal to this dot total times the discount percent over 100. Okay, right. So that's it for that, guys. We just finished introduction to JavaScript on CodeCademy, building the cash register, put together all of the knowledge we learned. So I hope you guys enjoyed the course. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Make sure to like, comment, and as always, guys, please subscribe and support the channel. It means a lot. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.